everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple and easy to make chutney which goes perfectly well with idlis and dosas. We're going to make this delicious mint tomato chutney. So let's get started and check it out. I have kept all the ingredients needed for this chutney. To a wide kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 3 tablespoons of chana dal, 4 red chilies and roast them. Keeping the flame on low, fry the chana dal till it gets to a nice golden brown color. Now add about 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and switch off the stove. Just mix the coconut along with the chana dal and transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool. To the same pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 2 onions roughly chopped and add about 2 green chilies. Next add 8 cloves of garlic and a few bits of tamarind to it. Mix it all together. The onions need not be sauteed to a golden brown color, just saute it till it's a bit translucent. Next add 2 medium-sized onions chopped and saute it along with the onions. Cook this for about 5 minutes. Now add a teaspoon of rock salt and mix everything together. If you don't have rock salt, you can use the table salt available at home. Now the tomatoes have become soft and a bit mushy. At this stage, add a bunch of mint leaves. Make sure it's nice and clean. Saute the mint leaves along with the onions and tomatoes. Switch off the stove and transfer the ingredients to a plate and cool it completely. To a mixer jar, add the roasted chana dal, red chilies and the coconut and grind it without adding any water. Then add the onion, tomato and mint leaves mixture and add some water and grind it again. The chutney need not be too fine or smooth. It can be a little coarse because it will give a lot more texture and taste to the chutney. Let's check the consistency now. It has come out so beautifully. So if you feel the chutney is very thick, then you can add just a little bit of water to dilute it and get the right consistency. I'm just adding a little bit of water to the chutney. If you want to serve this chutney with idlis or dosas, you can dilute it a little bit. Otherwise, you can keep it nice and thick if you're serving it with some nice hot steamed rice. Let's temper the ingredients now. To a tempering pan, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of urud dal, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and switch off the stove. Now add the red chilies, a little bit of hing, that is asafoetida powder and a few curry leaves. Add the tempered ingredients to the chutney and mix everything well. There you go, here is a tasty tomato and mint chutney that is ready to be served with some nice hot steaming idlis or dosas of your choice. We'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. The chutney is done, and what more way to enjoy this other than these hot steaming idlis with a little bit of ghee and of course the chutney to go with that. I'm going to taste. It's incredibly tasty. Oh my god. It's nice spongy idlis with a nice chutney loaded with flavors. It's the perfect combination, I would say. Wow, that chutney is incredibly tasty and it's loaded with flavors. It's a perfect combination for the soft steaming idlis. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys. I'll give you a couple of links in the description to the other chutney recipes. Do give it a try. And don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.